So perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. And so, the national anthems. Well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Yes, Peter, it's a shame it's only a friendly, but then again, that may help us see a more expressive attacking contest. And I'd be prepared to settle for a clash of lesser intensity in favour of lots of flair, skill and plenty of tricks and a few goals. I suspect I've probably overstretched my level of greed here.
Got things underway.
Skill Cole.
Morgan. Gardner tries to get it forward quickly. Great run on the overlap here. Gorgeous control there. Played into the middle. That's not going to make it.
Skill Cole.
He's come through and he's had a quick look inside. He's had a shot! That could have been some goal.
Well, the run was really impressive, the finish was impressive, and expectations were not met.
Hoists it forward. Well played, he saw that coming. And it's played forward. A real chance to break. He gets past his man. Here comes the corner. And it's been taken short. And that has been clubbed away. Has gone out. Played into space out wide. Beershot. Holt. Forward it goes. Jones.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision, because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
Shapes to shoot! That's been drilled forward. Well intercepted, really alert, and they've been caught out here. Has a hit! He's delivered all right!
The understanding between those two plays a big part in that, and releasing the run on side proved the key ingredient.
Number 19.
So, a breakthrough already. Good spell of possession this, but very little to show for it. Forward it goes. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Beersha tries to get it forward quickly. And it's played forward. Going through. Tries to dink it in. Lafferty. There's a long ball. David. Battles to win it back.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Samuel. And it's got through. It is a corner. They've played it short. So who's he picking out? Tries a shot! It's in! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight!
Oh, it's a keeper's nightmare, Peter. He just couldn't pick up on it until it was way too late, having so many bodies in front of him.
And he's done it! It's a goal, thanks to... After 22 minutes is... number 8.
So that's 2 now without reply.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Aimed in towards the... Up to meet it! Oh, just needed a better contact.
Now, that was a slick move, and there were several options in the box to pick out.
Beersha. Chance to break. Whitmore. Fuller. Now surely. He's gone for it!
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive, and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
After 26 minutes is... number 17.
We have got ourselves a game here.
I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now.
David. Brown. Skill Cole. Cox. So midway through the first half, and it is a tight old tie. Here it comes. Well positioned to make that interception. How about a shot? Danger averted for now. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Has a pop! It's there! That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
After 32 minutes is... number 10.
This has become one superb game of football.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
He's caught him there, it's a free kick. Well, the referee has made it pretty clear now that this is his last chance.
Yeah, and he's just entered the last chance saloon. One wrong move now, and he's in trouble. That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Face to... and the shot! It's in! And the comeback is complete! He does it all with an air of efficiency and simplicity.
Yeah, and he knew all along what he wanted to do, and it's a really great instinctive finish.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
He's made sure that that won't get through. Samwell. Low. Lobs it in gently. And he's onside. Crossed in. Goalkeeper's ball. Low. Gardner. Skill Cole. Over to the left. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Low. Going for goal! It's a clearance, but not much of one. It's gone a long way up and away. Low. Time added on will be 2 minutes. Gets up to head it! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Referee's had a look. He's blown his whistle for half-time. Oh, what a comeback. Certainly I didn't see that coming. Nor I think there's many in this crowd.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in wishing all the best for our members of the platform celebrating their wedding anniversaries today.
So off we go once more. Changes made by neither side from what we understand. Holt. A little short of forward momentum, lacking thrust. Cox. Beersha. York. Got a sight of goal here. Plays it out to the wing. Oh, sweet feet. Has a hit! Really well taken goal. They've done it again! It is incredible! Quite a thriller this one's become.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Fuller looks to clip it forward. Real chance! Cleared without complication. Skill Cole. Low. And the waiting to goes for goal! That's good distance on it. Cuts it out. Whitmore. Malcolm. That's another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
That's a look. Massive lead! And the follow-up! In for the pieces! He scored! And they're back in front! He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great coaching positions.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for. Holt. It's a bit of penetration to go with all this possession. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Challenge, he just stood firm. Skill Cole. Pena. It's one! And in it goes! And there's the goal they've been looking for.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It's all very well built.
He's made it three. Quite a day at the office for him.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of goal. What a display. What a player.
So the lead now is 2.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Well, they've seen lots of the ball, trying to go for it a bit of creativity and adventure. Hoists it forward. Chance! A real chance and a real let-off.
Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. A warm ovation on his way off, and that is the least he deserves.
Look, you can only give your all, and he's delivered in that regard, and I think the manager has probably just spotted now a little tiredness creeping in, and, you know, if that's the case, then, you know, he's doing the right thing.
Substitution on the field. Number 20. Coming on the field is number 23.
Done very well to intervene. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Great strength, too strong for his opponent. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Holt tries to get it forward quickly. He's left his man. Shoots! And that's a goal kick.
This defence is wary about opposition pace.
So they're just not getting too tight.
Yeah, they know that if they step up, their keeper could get a whole lot busier.
Hit long and direct. Knocks it away. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
You have to admire commitment like that, because he could easily ignore that and just kind of walk around and let others do all the chasing, but instead he looks as if he relishes the chance to dig in for his team here.
Skill Cole. Oh, really tiny interchange. Behind.
Oh, look, I don't want to sound too dismissive, but from here, that looked a harder thing to do.
Looks to dink one in. He's had a goal! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Oh, I'm not sure what he had in mind, and I don't think he knew either.
Lafferty. That'll be a throw. Gets away from his opponents. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Well, better late than...
Shot a goal! Yes! And the lead is extended still further. Lovely goal. Perfect poise to set himself for the strike. 4 in the game. He is the man. Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. So now the difference is 3. Coates. Holt. Forward it goes. No, that is pretty much the end of that. Gets it upfield. Just brushed off the ball there. Low. Shelton. Malcolm. Chooses to go back. Oh, he's not going to get that. Low. Gets it back. Plenty waiting in the middle. That has sent him sprawling. That's nice. Time to deliver. That is terrific skill. Great leap! Oh, that is an awful miss. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Malcolm. Angle in. Low. Angle in. Oh, shooting chance! Goal! Comfort, yet more comfort. Easing away. High quality goal, lovely first touch, sumptuous second. Looking so easy, almost too easy here.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Beershot. And it's played forward. Oh, good interception. And now they can launch a counter. Floats one over. Has a pop! He's looking to get there first. A chance to play it in. Ball swung in. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Massive leap! And that has been cleared. Looking for a decent ball in. Low. And the counter is on. Brown. Angle in. Whistle's gone, and they've got themselves a free kick.
Substitution.
He's having a go. Top save! Keeper always had the measure of that. What a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. Your reflections then, Jim?
Look, this is a good win for me. They know they've got the organisation and the discipline, and that's what gave them the platform to go on and win this.